Are you looking for information on Sacramento wrought iron fence? Located in Sacramento, we fabricate and install ornamental iron in Sacramento and outlying areas. Specializing in custom wrought iron designs, wrought iron driveway gates, pedestrian iron gates, iron fence designs, and spiral iron staircase. Fabricating and installing iron fencing, pool fencing, iron railings, trellis, arbors, awnings, walk gates, security, custom doors, drive gates, gate operators, automated gates, balcony railings, guard railings, grab railings, wrought iron cable railing, pipe railing and stair railing. Forge with a full running blacksmith and metal shop. From simple cut and welding projects to custom blacksmithing and metalsmithing, creating lasting traditional ornamental iron and unique wrought iron work for the greater Sacramento area. If you are looking for a wrought iron fence contractor in Sacramento, California, then look no further than Wrought Iron Specialists in Sacramento, California. Ring our business today for further details on Sacramento wrought iron fence.